Folks, here on the TaT stand at the AAA Expo, and I've just run into Geoff Mutton. Geoff Mutton from TaT, and more importantly from TaT Biz. And a few years ago we had the pleasure of TaT talking at our Wire and Gas conference on the Gold Coast, and I think from memory one at Geelong, and a very, very popular session for guys that are working in workshop land. And I'm pleased to announce that Wire and Gas in August this year, we've got Geoff joining us again to give a bit of an overview on the business side of our industry, which is so critically important. Geoff, really pleased to have you come back in August.
Thank you, Brett. I'm really looking forward to getting up there. It's been a while since I've been to Wire and Gas. Always great conferences. As Brett said, I'm going to be doing some sessions really focusing on the business. It's obviously such a critical component of running a successful workshop. It's one thing to be great in the tools, but really managing your business is so important to get the most out of it. So we're going to be going and drilling into some really good strategies and some ideas, different things to help workshop owners, the people there, get the most out of the business. So I'm looking really forward to it.
And for those of you that didn't get to see Geoff last time, it was a hugely popular session. I would encourage you to go to wireandgas.com and get your tickets early. Geoff Mutton will be there, along with all of the other speakers that we're hoping to talk to today while we're out and about. Wire and Gas, August 23rd, 24th, 25th. Geoff, really looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you, mate.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.